Welcome to Currency Watch. This is Chris Keene from thekeenpointofview.com, and it's been one of those days where we haven't had very little action, but it looked like walking into New York trading that we could have a lot of volatility today with the ECB and the Bank of England on tap. Both decided to keep interest rates unchanged, and the ECB did little to nothing to spark interest during its press conference with Draghi, where maybe the highlight was the introduction of some changes that are going to make the currency a little bit more secure. Let's take a look though at a couple of the majors heading into the end of the week to see what kind of setups we possibly have. First is the USDJPY. You can see this pair is consolidating in a narrow range. The bottom of it has been consolidating in a narrow range and is now testing the bottom of that range. Currently between 79.50 and 79.25. If we get a break of this range, we could easily push down to the 78.85 and then maybe back down to the trendline resistance. But if we get a bounce here, we could see consolidation and maybe a push back up to the top. So we'll have to watch this range, watch the range, and look to see, watch the price action at the bottom there. Next pair is the EURUSD, because you can see as the pair has been consolidating in its support zone over the last 24 hours and hasn't had much of a move higher or anything, just kind of basically moving sideways. It'll be interesting to see if the pair can get a bounce from here, and we can see a push back up towards the 128 level initially, then maybe up to the 128.85. But if we do break below this level, we could be on our way towards the 50 fib at 126.02. So we'll have to keep our eyes open for that also. Next is the Great Britain USD. Just want to show, because the pair has been in an intense consolidation range, but going along the pair here, is possible. Has a better R&R than going short. Because if we break through this level, we're going to move rather quickly towards the once you break through the lows, you're at 159.28. We have the 50 fib that comes in right here at 159.03, and we could find sellers coming into 50 fib looking for a push higher. But if we break above the top of the range, 160, maybe 160.40, what we'd be looking for. If we break through the top of that range at 160.40, we could be on our way to retest the resistance level, which your first target would be 161, then maybe up to 161.80, resistance zone between 161.80 and 162.10. Last pair we're going to take a look at is the AUDUSD, just because the cross has been trying to has been consolidating above the 104, has broken above again the 104.10 level. It was just the bottom of this, is the top of this resistance zone between 104.10 and 103.86. As long as the pair stays above this resistance level, it favors a move higher. And a move higher, first initial target would be at this 104.85, and then followed by the 105.20 level, which is just above. So we have a few pairs to watch. Hopefully the price action will pick up in Asian and European trading to end the week. Everybody have a great weekend, and remember to keep your trades keen and to play it safe. And this is Currency Watch.